Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your headphones House of Marley Positive Vibration XL. And the first one, that these headphones support quick charging, so it's a good one. Next one, it also have ANC, and right here at the left ear cup we have special button for it, it calls ANC. And you just press one time to enable it. If you see this LED light, it means that it's enabled. If you want to disable it, you can just press on it again. Next one, these headphones also have transparency mode, so if you met someone, you don't need to remove your headphones, you just enable transparency mode, and near to the NC button we have this what mean monitor mode, but it's actually transparency mode. And you just press one time, you will enable it, you will hear voice prompt that enable that ambient on, and to disable you can also press on it one time and you will hear this prompt ambient off. You can also swap between them, I mean if you enable ANC you can enable transparency and it will disable ANC and swap to transparency. The same with ANC, it will disable transparency and it will swap to ANC if you press on it. Next one, when you listen to music or watching a movie, you don't need to use your phone, you can use just control on your headphones. And right here at the right ear cup we have all controls here. You can increase the volume by press the volume up button, you can lower the volume, you can play next track if you press and hold at the volume up button, you can play previous track or previous movie if you press and hold at the volume down button. You can play and pause the song by pressing one time at the multifunctional button what located between volume up and volume down buttons. And you can also call a voice assistant by press two times at this multifunctional button. If you have some trouble with your headphones, you can easily perform a factory reset. You just turn off your headphones and after that you press and hold this multifunctional button until the LED light near to the USB-C port flashed red rapidly. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!